How to fix Windows 11 waiting for you to receive the license terms error. So if you want to fix Windows 11 waiting for you to receive the license terms option or error, then what you need to do is first you need to just press Windows and R keys together, which will open on the run command. Now here you need to enter services.msc and then hit the enter. After that you will find Windows Update. So you need to just scroll down or go with the W interface, and here you will have Windows Update. Here right click on your Windows Update and then go and restart your Windows Update service. If it is not started, then you need to start the service. After starting the service, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your settings. So just search for settings and open up your settings. Under settings, go with system, which is on the left side. Under system, you will have troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and here go with other troubleshooters. Now here you will have Windows Update. Troubleshooter, you need to go with run, which is on the right side. And once you run the troubleshooter, you need to apply the fix. It might take a few minutes to complete the troubleshooting process. And after that, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.